Zara blinked and said, "Are those sprinkles on the grass?" She bent down to take a further look. Yep, they were tiny rainbow sprinkles forming a trail. The trail led past the garden gate and around the old oak tree. There, hidden in the tall grass, was a yellow waffle boat. It rocked gently with its sails made of pink candy floss. A note was taped to the front of the boat that read, "Board for sweet adventures. Bring curiosity." Zara didn't hesitate. She climbed in and the boat floated up and away over clouds and cotton candy rivers. Moments later, she landed on Ice Cream Island. Everywhere she looked, deliciousness bloomed. Chocolate chip bushes, strawberry syrup vines, and marshmallow stepping stones. But something wasn't right. A group of vanilla scoops sat weeping beneath a mango tree. "Our toppings!" cried one. "A bandit took our whipped cream and cherries." "Without toppings," sniffled another. "We're just sad lumps." Zara stood tall and replied, "Don't worry, I'll find the Sprinkle Bandit." She grabbed a banana paddle and zipped off in a fudge canoe. She searched high and low. Through the jelly bean jungle, over the gumdrop hills. Clues led her to the sherbet springs where fizzy bubbles danced. Suddenly, poof! A burst of rainbow sprinkles exploded from a candy cave. Zara tiptoed closer. Inside was a fuzzy creature with licorice arms, scooping toppings into a sack. "You must be the Sprinkle Bandit," said Zara. The Sprinkle Bandit jumped. "I didn't mean to upset anyone," it mumbled. "I just wanted to decorate my lonely cone cave." Zara gently took its paw and replied, "Why not share? We can decorate together." The bandit blinked and said, "You'd help me?" Together, they carried the toppings back. The vanilla scoops cheered as cherries plopped into place. The bandit helped rebuild the Sunday Tower and became the official topping helper of the island. Before Zara left, the scoops gave her a necklace made of jelly rings. "A hero's badge," they said. She climbed back into the waffle boat, waving goodbye as the island shimmered in the sunlight. Back home, the sprinkles in the garden sparkled, and Zara smiled. Because now she knew, every adventure starts with a little curiosity and a lot of heart. Kindness and understanding can turn even the cheekiest troublemakers into sweet friends.